In this video, we are going to make a whole bunch of products with this UV printer right here. Not only are we going to make the projects, but I'm going to talk about why you might want to make them. Whether you are a full-time business owner, maybe you're a hobbyist who wants to break into selling some of your items, or you just want to make some of these for fun. We're going to cover all of that right now. Hey there, I'm Sarah. You're watching Creative Ramblings. Today we are focused on this UV printer right here. This is the eufyMake E1. I do have other videos on this printer, so if you want to learn more about it, definitely check those out in the description. In today's video, we are making 9 unique projects that are kind of unique to UV printing. You can do some things that you can't do with other machines. I'm going to show you how to make the projects. Then we're going to talk about why you might want to make these. So who and how you could sell them, or how you could make them just for fun, for a gift, or for personal use. Again, I really want to focus on the process of UV printing and what makes this technique different from, say, laser engraving, sublimation, or vinyl. So let's start real quick with what is UV printing. So this is a home desktop UV printer. It is new to the market, and it allows us to do something that was previously only available in a commercial capacity. So UV printing allows you to print on a hard surface, put the ink down directly on top of it. It's a resin-based ink that is immediately cured with a UV light. So when this comes out of the printer, it is hard. I can feel it on here, and this isn't coming off. This is permanent. You can also add texture. So some of these products here do have texture. We're going to talk about that a little bit as well. So UV printing can be unique, and it can allow you to create unique, original items that other techniques cannot. Let's jump into these 9 projects right here. This is a ceramic magnet. It actually came directly from eufyMake. It is a great place to start. So when we're UV printing, we're going to put it in the machine, close it up, go over to the software, and I'm going to put a photo on this magnet. I think this is a great gift to give. You could do these for a customer that is getting married soon, and maybe they want to send out a save the date. It would be great to have a picture of the couple on here and a little save the date message, or just a commemorative piece like this. Next up is a metal coin, or sometimes referred to as a challenge coin. There are so many different uses for these, but you could make these for an organization that's holding an event. So I created a design using a graphic that I actually found here in the eufyMake software, and I just put the event name and the city down on the bottom. These could be handed out to participants after an event. It would be a great way to partner with a local organization. The printer has a camera, so all of the positioning can be done with a camera, and it is really accurate. So once the picture loads, I can easily place it on here and then go ahead and print. The printing doesn't take long at all. It is a nice permanent fixture on here, and these coins actually come with a little commemorative case. Again, a really great way to partner with an organization and make them a special piece for their event. A coaster is another easy idea. This is going to print a whole lot like the magnet. I am going to make this for a wedding favor, so the guests can take them home after the wedding. It's got a little memory on them. You could do this for a local business and put their logo, maybe their address and phone number, website on it. There are a lot of options here because, again, it's just a blank white coaster. These are bamboo pens. I actually bought them to laser engrave, which I have quite a few, but UV printing just takes it up a notch. So I am going to put 4 of these on my mini bed here. You could do a lot more on the larger bed, and I am going to make these for a local realtor. So I can easily put the name, a little graphic, and a phone number. Now I'm going to do these in black and white, but you can add all kinds of color and images on here. The software makes it very easy to do batch processing embossing, so just duplicating that image, lining it up, and then printing it. And I think these came out great. This would be great to make a couple samples and take them around to local businesses to show them what you can do. There are multiple beds that come with the printer. There's the mini bed and then there's the standard size bed. So I'm going to switch them out. It really is that simple. There's just a little lever on the bottom that you lock it in place. I am going to do a bag tag. So I cut this piece of acrylic using my CO2 laser. I'm going to leave the paper on the back and just leave the acrylic on the front. And I'm going to layer this design. So it's going to print a colored image first, then white, and then another colored image, so that when I take this off the printer, you're going to be able to see this design from both sides. This is great for graphics. Doesn't work so well with text, but I love the final project here. So think about being able to offer these to a sports team or to a local organization that wants to get their name out there, or maybe the coaches want to give these to their athletes to put on their gear bag. Keychains are a really versatile product. These are wood, and I can take the keychain off and I can twist this little top part because I want it to lay completely flat on my bed. So I am going to put a soccer ball on one side, flip it over, and then put a number on the other side. So this would be a great way for parents to customize in your shop and give it to their athlete. It could be something that a coach or a team wants to give. There are a whole bunch of different ways that you could use this. You could put that soccer ball on the front and put mom on the back or something fun. Again, the software makes it really easy to position everything with that camera. It's going to print in just a few minutes. Flip it over, put the number on the other side. You can also market these again to a local business, similar to some of the other ones we were talking about. Anything that you can customize for them with their logo and information. Have you ever been to a local organization's casino night? They're really great events that can help raise money for a good cause. You can partner with organizations or businesses to print double-sided on these poker chips. We can do a logo, a date, a organization name, anything they want. They print so fast and they make a big impact. This is a plain white cotton canvas. It measures about 12 by 16, so a pretty good size, and it fits comfortably inside this bed. I am making a wedding sign. So if you have a business, a local business, you can market to couples and be able to create some really beautiful custom images for them. This is a welcome sign. You could have a guest book sign, a buffet sign, all kinds of different things featuring the artwork and the fonts that that couple wants for their wedding. This last one is one of my favorites. So this is a piece of matte acrylic. It's matte on one side, glossy on the other. It was left over from a project I did, and I'm going to create myself a business sign. So it's really easy on your computer or the app to take a picture, place everything appropriately. And I'm going to create this one with some texture. So I'm going to raise up that printing. It's going to add a bunch of layers of white and then color over the top. So you can make these for other small businesses. Maybe you have somebody that goes to a craft fair and they want a nice acrylic sign that has a QR code so they can scan to pay, or something that says, here's where you can follow me, or a subscribe on YouTube sign like this. This is a great business to business sale, and you can customize this in so many different ways. Super helpful if you also have that CO2 laser to pre-cut the acrylic, or you can buy acrylic blanks like this as well. The goal of this video was to give you a good overview of all different types of projects you can make with a UV printer, how you can sell them, who you can market them to, and some different ways that you can customize them. I have more videos on this machine down in the description, and I'm going to try to link as many of these blanks as I can, so if you're looking for where to get these pens or the magnets, I'm going to link those down below. If you have any more questions on UV printing, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to chat with you. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'm here every week with new videos helping you move forward in your creative journey. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.